Today we're going to announce the winner of the 2.1 stereo system from Dayton Audio. If you haven't decided on a good pair of drivers yet, but are looking to save a little cash, all drivers from Goldwood are currently on sale through March 15th. Get 20% off all makes and models and finish those speakers. Oh, and don't forget to post them to our customer project gallery. Speaking of speaker kits and do-it-yourself, have you seen our all-new mini subwoofer kits? 8 new designs that are small but mighty. With these package deals, you'll get everything you need to add effective low end to any setup. Hear what you've been missing starting today. Have we got an outstanding deal for you? If you're looking to build up a small army of stands, now is the time. This buyout is allowing us to sell guitar, music, speaker, and microphone stands all for low prices. Don't miss out on always having a stand available. All right, it's time to announce the winner of the 2.1 stereo system from Dayton Audio. The prize package is worth over $660, and it's going to Norman G. from Cranston, Rhode Island. Congratulations, Norman. We'll be in touch soon. Now, if you didn't win this month, don't worry. Right now, we are doing a new giveaway where you could win a C-Note speaker build kit and $100 of Parts Express credit to go with it. Good luck to everybody who enters, and we'll see you next month.